Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing bean stew. Okay, it's full of flavor. I tell you, it's delicious and it's nutritious, and we have some fried plantain with it as well. Just look at that. So lovely. If you're new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes, so come along with me and let's do this lovely stew. So guys, first of all, I have some boiling water and I put my black eyed beans into it. This has been soaked for about 2 hours so that it will cook quicker. So guys, the next thing is I have some beef here. Okay, so I want to just season the beef nicely with some black pepper, some onions, some ginger and garlic cubes, and some salt to taste. I want it to first of all cook in its own juices, okay, so that the flavor will go into the meat, I tell you. And then afterwards, I'll add a little bit of water for it to tender. So it's as you like it. If you like it really soft, you can just add more water to it. It smells amazing, I tell you. So to start frying the stew, I have some palm oil here. I'm using palm oil because in Ghana typically we use palm oil for bean stew. I'm adding some kobe. Kobe is salted fish, okay, salted tilapia. If you want that recipe, it's on my channel. I'll link it down below in the description box. So because you have to add the salted fish, it gives it a lovely taste. Okay, add some onions to it. This is chopped onions. Yeah, you need to add chopped onions. It makes your stew really lovely. I tell you, it's amazing. Come along with me and let's do this. So guys, checking on the stew, is cooking really nicely and it smells amazing. I'm going to add my meat. Okay, this is my flavorful meat. I'm adding it to it. I tell you, it tastes amazing, and I'll cover it for it to cook. So next, I'm adding some Pilchards in tomato sauce. Okay, I love adding fish to it, but it's optional. Okay, and also I do add some tuna chunks to it because I love the two together. It gives your stew a lovely. I tell you, it takes it to another level. So try this as well. So nice. Right, so everybody knows that bean stew goes with ripe plantain. So I'm just frying some ripe plantain. Okay, so easy to do. You just cut it to any shape of your choice and then you fry it. I tell you, it tastes amazing. Try it. Yes, so checking back on my stew, I'm trying to multitask. Okay, so yeah, you can see that it's really cooked nicely. All right, so the tomatoes is really cooked, and I'm going to add my cooked beans. So guys, our flavorful bean stew is done. It tastes good. The aroma is amazing, guys. You have to try this recipe. It's delicious. Okay, so I'm adding some white rice and some fried plantain as I showed you already. try this recipe. It's so delicious. So guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? Do subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.